Hello friends, today I will show you how to screenshot my Acer Acer E15. That's my laptop. I'll show you how to screenshot this laptop. It's also Windows 8.1. So I'll show you how to screenshot easily. First you press the Windows button here. You see this is the Windows button. Press and also together press here also one button. This is the button that this is PRTSC. This is the button together. Just to see now I do that. Just wait. Press the Windows button and also the same time you press this button. See here near the F12 button, this is a screenshot button. So I will show you that. See here also, now I press first I press the Windows button, then after I press this time you see the my laptop screen. Now I press just 1 2 3 start. See that's a blink. This time let's take a screenshot. Now we check the just see the screen. Now we check the screenshot where I save that. Just go to gallery, pictures. There also screenshot. There also one folder that came in automatically. That's a folder name that's in screenshot. Open that. Then at last one that's we take in this time. Just open that. Just you see there's a browser window. So it's a easy and fast. I show you again one more. This is the first you press the Windows button, then after you press here this button. This for the screenshot. See like this, press this and after press the button like this. See the screen blink. When you take a screenshot, that's time they blink the screen. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my friends. Okay, bye.